Okay guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will just continue our discussion for accounting for labor, wherein the discussion will be the other matters related to labor costs. So let's start. Okay, so let's talk about other related costs, which is bonus. So what is bonus? So bonus is a payment usually made to employees in addition to their base salary as part of their wages or salary. So normally, if a factory of a business attain a certain level of accomplishment, so nagbibigay po yan ng bonus sa kanyang mga workers. So bonus may be in the form of 13th month pay, which is mandated by the law, or it also may be in the form of retention bonus. So ibig sabihin, kapag nag-stay si empleyado sa company for a certain period of time, so pwede siyang magkamibigyan ng bonus depende sa company policy. So it can also be a form of holiday bonus. So aside from the 30-month pay, so pwede rin magbigay ng holiday bonus si ating empleyado. So ang lagi lang po natin tandaan sa accounting, ang bonus po ay hindi nire-record at the time of granting ng bonus. So let's say for example, ang holiday bonus ay ang binibigay yan during holiday. Let's say for example, Christmas. So before magkaroon ng holiday, so magbibigay na ng Christmas bonus si ating empleyado. So ang holiday po ay hindi yan nire-record at the time na i-grant natin yung holiday bonus. Bagkus, kailangan po yan i-record at the time na nag-render pa ng service si empleyado kasi nga in-earn niya yan. Okay? So, sa cost accounting, ang lagi lang tatandaan, ang ating mga bonus ay nire-record yan during the rendering of service ni empleyado, hindi yan during at the time of bonus. Okay, so let's have an illustration about bonus. So let's say for example, we have Mr. Bill who was hired as a production worker who earns 24,000 a month and the company pays him a year-end bonus equivalent to 1 month of his salary. So in this case, let's assume yung 24,000 is fixed although considered yan as direct labor. For ano lang naman to, for discussion purposes. So sabi ko nga kanina, so under accounting, ang bonus po ay hindi yan nire-record at the time na i-grant natin or ibibigay natin yung bonus. So nire-record po yan prorated during the year. So let's say for example, si Mr. Bill ay na-hired ng January 1. So ibig sabihin, January pa lang dapat nagre-recognize na po tayo ng accrual ng bonus. So ibig sabihin, upon January, so January closing, so kailangan po natin mag-prepare ng 2 journal entries related to his salary. So yung first one, which is the incurrence of cost, which is yung kanyang sahod talaga. In that case, ang simple naman ng ating record dyan, so magde-debit lang tayo ng work in process inventory, which is 24,000. Then credit tayo ng payroll, 24,000 pesos. So at the same time, dahil nga bibigyan natin siya ng bonus at year-end, dapat nung January pa lang, nagre-recognize na tayo ng accrual ng bonus. So to record the accrual of bonus, simply debit factory overhead control dahil ang bonus ay considered as factory overhead. So ini-scatter yan doon sa ating mga job orders. So dahil nga hindi natin alam kung yung specific job order, so basically, nire-record natin yan sa ating factory overhead control. Then since hindi pa naman natin binibigay yung bonus dahil January pa lamang, so magkikredit tayo ng liability account. So we can use estimated liability for bonus. So ang amount na ilalagay natin ay 2,000 pesos. So bakit 2,000 pesos ang ating ilalagay? Kasi nga, prorated po ang ating recording. So dahil makaka-receive ng 24,000 si Mr. Bill at the end of the year, which is equivalent to 24,000, so every month, so dapat mag-accrual tayo ng bonus. So 24,000 divided by 12, so every month, so aside from the incurrence of cost, which is debit ka ng work in process, debit payroll, so dapat nag-recognize ka rin ng factory overhead control, then credit estimated liability for bonus amounting to 2,000 pesos. So kapag na-reach na natin yung December, yung 2,000 na yan, magiging 24,000 pesos na yan. So every month, this will be your entry. So again, incurrence of cost, so debit, work in process, 24,000. Then credit payroll, 24,000. Then accrual of bonus, so debit ka ng factory overhead control, 2,000. Then credit estimated liability for bonus, 2,000 pesos. So let's say for example, dumating na yung December, so ibibigay na natin yung bonus na empleyado. So in this case, ang magiging record na natin, hindi na tayo mag-record ng factory overhead control, 2,000 and estimated liability for bonus 2,000 kasi nga nakapag-accrue na tayo starting ng January. In this case, sa pagdating natin ng December, Assuming na nakapag-accrue din tayo ng December ng 2,000, so our entry upon the distribution of bonus will be debit estimated liability for bonus, which is equivalent to his 1 month salary amounting to 24,000. Then credit cash, 24,000 pesos. So ito po yung entry kapag ang pinag-uusapan po natin ay bonus. Okay, so let's talk about another topic under other labor-related costs, paid leaves. So we say paid leaves, this is any kind of time that is taken off work with pay. So ibig sabihin, babayaran natin si empleyado kahit hindi siya nagtatrabaho. So ang paid leaves po, marami po yan type. So it can be in the form of vacation leave, so meaning magbabakasyon si empleyado pero babayaran pa rin natin siya. So in the form of sick leave, so in case nagkasakit si empleyado or si laborer, babayaran pa rin natin siya. So pwede rin naman yung birthday leave, so during his birthday, so hindi na natin siya pagtatrabahuhin, pero babayaran pa rin natin. So for this specific slide, ang pag-uusapan lang po natin is yung paid leave. So pag sinabi po nating paid leave, although hindi sila papasok sa company or sa factory, babayaran pa rin natin sa kanila. In case hindi natin sila babayaran, so hindi natin yung pag-uusapan kasi nga no work, no pay naman, so walang additional cost on the part of the factory. Okay, so let's proceed to our illustration. So let's say for example, we have Mr. Bill again. So Mr. Bill, a factory worker, earns 100 per hour for a 40 hours per week. He is entitled to a 2-week paid vacation leave. So vacation leave is treated as indirect cost and are accrued over a 50-week work year. So ang kailangan nating tandaan sa illustration na to is ilang araw ba magli-leave sa empleyado na meron siyang bayad. So in this case, ano daw yan? So meron daw siyang 2 weeks. So dahil meron siyang 2 weeks, so meron tayong equivalent of 80 hours yan during the week. So basically, ang gagawin po natin, ihiwalay natin yung time na i-earn niya yung vacation leave tsaka yung time na naman na i-avail niya yung vacation leave. So in this case, pagtatrabahuhan niya yan over a 50-week work year, so ibig sabihin, dyan natin i-accrue yung ating paid leave. So meron tayong 50 which is equivalent to the working weeks, and we also have 2 vacation leaves equivalent to the days na mag-leave si ating empleyado. So ang ating magiging objective dito is to determine how much is the equivalent amount ng vacation leave na yan. So magkano ibabayad natin? So gagamitin natin yung kanyang information. So sa case natin, binabayaran natin si Mr. Bill ng 100 per hour at sa buong linggo, 40 hours siyang nag-work. At meron siyang 2-week vacation. So ibig sabihin, 100 per hour times 40 hours times 2 kasi nga 2 week. So therefore, ang equivalent na vacation leave natin for the year will be 8,000 pesos. So ibig sabihin, yung 8,000 na yan, ibabayad natin yan kay Mr. Bill although hindi siya nag-work. This will be treated as other factory overhead. So ngayon, paano natin yan i-accrue over the period ng ating working weeks? Kasi nga, dapat nire-recognize natin yan prorated during the time na nire-render ni empleyado or ni laborer yung service niya. So ang gagawin po natin, i-scatter natin yung 8,000 over the year. So since meron tayong 50 working weeks, so ang gagawin lang natin, 8,000 divided by 50, so therefore every week, magre-recognize tayo ng 160 pesos related to the vacation leave. So for example, during the first week, so nakapag-work si Mr. Bill ng 40 hours, so wala siyang overtime. So basically, i-record lang muna natin yan kasi nga direct laborer si Mr. Bill. So re-record lang natin yung incurrence ng cost, which is debit tayo ng work in process amounting to 4,000. Then credit tayo ng payroll 4,000. So nakuha natin yung 4,000 by getting the 40 hours per week multiply sa 100 per hour. So we have 4,000. So ang next nating i-record is yung incurrence ng ating vacation leave. So sabi ko nga kanina, in-earn natin yung vacation leave from the first week pa lang. So ibig sabihin, kasabay ng incurrence of cost, dapat magre-recognize na po tayo ng vacation leave. So therefore, ang ating i-record dyan is debit, factory overhead control, kasi hindi natin yan pwedeng i-record as direct labor kasi nga wala naman tayong napoproduce na product during this time. So therefore, it is considered as indirect cost. So debit ka, factory overhead control, then credit estimated liability for vacation. In this case, sa week na to, ang i-record lang natin is 160 kasi nga first week pa lang naman yung ating i-recognize. So gagawin mo to every time na mag-record ka ng incurrence ng cost. Kung weekly ka nagre-record, so i-record mo lang lagi yan. Kung monthly naman, edi times 4 mo lang. So 160 times 4, so that will be 640,000 per month. So pag tinimes mo yan sa 12, ang magiging result niyan, which is equivalent to 8,000, di ba? So 8,000 yung ating magiging record. So kapag na-inavail na ni empleyado or ni direct laborer yung vacation leave na yan, so instead of recording work in process, kasi nga wala nga siyang winwork, so dahil nakapag-recognize na tayo prior ng factory overhead control, so tatangganin lang po natin yung estimated liability for vacation. So ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka dyan ng estimated liability for vacation, then credit cash kasi babayaran na natin si direct laborer, amounting to 8,000 pesos for the whole year.